Are you a busy mum looking for efficient ways to do your spring cleaning? Well, you've come to the right place. Spring cleaning is that essential reboot, a thorough sweep that breathes freshness into our homes. However, juggling work, kids, and chores can make finding time for this seasonal overhaul a real challenge. But fear not. We've got some unique time-saving techniques up our sleeves that will transform the way you approach this task. So let's dive into the tips that will revolutionize your spring cleaning routine. Tip number 1 is to tackle one room at a time. This approach helps to create a sense of accomplishment and prevents the overwhelming feeling that can come from trying to clean your entire home all at once. You can start with the smallest room to gain momentum or the messiest one to get it out of the way. Either way, you'll find that focusing on one room at a time makes the task more manageable and less stressful. Moving on to tip number 2, consider using natural cleaning products. These are not only better for your health, but they're also better for the environment. Ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice can often do just as good a job, if not better, than their chemical counterparts. And you don't have to worry about any harmful toxins affecting you or your family. Our third tip is to involve the kids. Turning cleaning into a fun family activity not only gets the job done faster, but it also teaches your children important life skills. Plus, who knows, they might even start to enjoy it. And finally, our fourth tip is to declutter before you clean. By getting rid of unnecessary items first, you'll find that the actual cleaning process becomes much smoother and faster. You'll be surprised at how much easier it is to clean a room when there's less stuff in it. Remember, the goal is to make your cleaning more efficient, not to make it perfect. So, to quickly recap what we've discussed, in the world of spring cleaning, it's all about strategy. Tackling one room at a time instead of trying to clean the whole house in one go is the most effective way to keep things under control. It's less overwhelming and allows you to focus on each space individually. Next, consider using natural cleaning products. They're not only better for the environment but also safer for you and your family. Plus, they often smell wonderful and add a fresh scent to your spring clean. Getting your kids involved not only lightens your load but also teaches them important life skills. Make it fun, make it a game, and you'll be surprised at how much they can help. Lastly, remember to declutter before you clean. It makes the cleaning process much smoother and gives you a chance to re-evaluate what you need and what you can let go of. Spring cleaning need not be a burden anymore. With these tips, you can make it an efficient and even enjoyable task. Until next time, happy cleaning!